What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nash, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the fastest way to add screenshots in Microsoft Excel. So let's go ahead and get started here. All right, so the first thing you want to do is going to be to locate the image that you want to take the screenshot. So if we go here, I'm going to take a screenshot of this page here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Excel, and I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to go ahead and go to, let's go over here, go to screenshot, right? So you can click this drop down here, and you have the option to pick a screen, right? So I only have Chrome open, and obviously OBS that is recording this. So the best thing the thing I recommend is going to be to just click on screen clipping instead of selecting the different tabs you might have open, right? So go ahead and hit screen clipping. This is going to minimize Microsoft Excel, and it's going to open the page that's right underneath it. So that's why I said you need to locate the page or image that you want to take the screenshot off, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and select this right here and let go, and this is going to be added to my Microsoft Excel. As simple as that. Now you can obviously do a bunch of things to this. You can resize this. You can actually change the different formats here. So you can see, you can make this an oval. You can add borders to this as well, just to make your images look nice. That is the fastest way to do this. There's also an option to, if you have the picture saved, you can go to insert and then insert pictures, and you can, hit this device, and this is going to allow you to pull images that are saved on your computer, but that takes a little while. This is probably the best and fastest way that you can do to add images quickly into Microsoft Excel. All right, so that is pretty much it when it comes to how you can add screenshots in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.